Wait for him to come all the way
He's
this
coming
side.
around now.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. My name is Alan.
Alan, it's so great to meet you.
Good to meet you.
Well, first things first, how has the tour been? That's the first thing I want to know.
Mind-bottling. You know when things get
Yeah.
so crazy, get your thoughts all trapped like in a bottle? Crazy.
Oh my goodness. 61 countries? Did I get
61 countries so far.
61 countries?
62 tomorrow.
Oh my goodness. Okay, tell me, when did this dream start? Like, did you just wake up one day and say, oh my goodness, we're touring the world?
Well, for him, yeah. No, the dream started about 4 or 5 years ago when I read about the Cybertruck, the prototype. And then, oh, hang on, Alan.
It fell.
It fell. Oh, okay. We used to have an evil eye here to protect us from bad spirits.
Don't worry, you're safe.
We'll find a new one.
Good.
Right, yeah, so it started about 4 years ago. It's a dream. So you don't expect it to happen, but at some point I couldn't think about anything else. It was just, gotta do it, can't wait, has to, Bought the truck, called Alan, asked if he wanted to join me for Chile, and he said, I can come for the whole world if you want to. Even better. And so now we're doing this together.
Amazing.
And
Now,
we've traveled for a year already.
a year.
Full year.
Okay.
So far.
So far, a year. And we're looking at a lot more countries that you want to go to.
Yeah, so we still have all the way down to Cape Town, so another 7, 8, yeah.
Now, I didn't want to preempt and research what this car is all about. Sometimes it's like a dream, like, a Cybertruck. This is Elon Musk and whatnot.
This is the most, to me, it's the most beautiful car in the world. It looks like every child's first attempt of drawing a car. It's fantastic.
Amazing.
It's bulletproof. It weighs
It
3.
is?
Yeah, bulletproof.
Oh, wow. Even the glass?
If you have a gun, take it out and we'll try it now.
Oh, no. I do not have a gun.
Yeah.
Okay, but can you, maybe can you share a little about this car? Like, what do you specifically love about this car?
What do I love about the car? To begin with, this is the most advanced car in the world right now, literally. Right? So it has a bunch of characteristics that makes it unique. Starting by the fact that it drives by itself. Yeah.
Okay.
This face. One thing is to say it, the other thing is to experience it. We just sit there, we put the address where we want to go, and the car takes you there.
It just takes you there?
Yeah.
Can we try that?
We cannot. I'm not joking. We cannot try it because it only works in places where it's legal to use it.
Oh.
The car knows that it's in a place where it's not legal to do it, so it disconnects the possibility.
All right, well, that's a bummer.
But yeah, it's a bummer.
Amazing. Now, I know there are a lot of people, like when you look at Africa right now, I mean, it would be a dream for someone to own something like this. You've toured quite a number of countries. How possible do you think the young children that are watching you right now, can they dream this big? Can they dream that big?
So one of our goals is to, we haven't explained what we're doing. Okay, I will explain so that people in their home can know what we're doing. We are traveling across every single continent with an electric car. Yeah, we have 3 goals. One goal is to break the Guinness World Record.
Okay.
Because no one has done it before.
Right.
The other goal is to prove that you can go anywhere with an electric car. Because this is the future. So your question was if children can dream that they will have a car like this.
Yeah.
100%. 100%.
Yeah.
Because if you think about the difference between a car like this one or a normal car and an electric car, this is 100 times better. It's just a matter of time for the price to drop. This doesn't make sound. It
really doesn't. When you drove in, I was just like, oh my goodness, it's so quiet. Like nothing's moving, but yet it's out there and it's moving.
It makes no sounds. It doesn't throw smog into the atmosphere. It almost never breaks down because a regular engine has like 2,000 parts. The motor here has like 150 parts. You don't need to change the oil. You don't need to put gas. It's a million times better,
Oh my goodness.
So yeah, that's the second reason why we're doing it, is to show that you can go anywhere in the world with an electric car.
Right.
And the third reason, which is the most important one for us, is to bring happiness to every place that we go.
Amazing.
So usually we do this, an interview, or we park the car in the center of the city and we announce in our social media so that anyone who wants to see it and take a picture and meet us, we can do that. And usually it's a great day for everybody.
Amazing. And you guys are doing this just out of your will. Like you really just say, okay, we're getting the Cybertruck and we're traveling the world.
Yeah, it's just something that we want to do.
Amazing.
So we're doing it. Yeah.
It's so great. I mean, there's so many people that have dreams and maybe they'll stop themselves and say, I don't think I can do that. Like, this is so big. What would you like really say to someone who is holding back from achieving their dreams?
Never hold back. Follow your dreams. Go for it.
Amazing. That is so beautiful. Now, I mean, it's been a long journey.
Can I say something? When you read in the news something interesting that somebody did, it's just somebody who said like, oh, I'm gonna do this thing.
Yeah.
And then he's just try until that thing is done. In this case, we want to travel the world in a Cybertruck, and now a lot of people are wondering, oh, maybe I can travel the world or maybe I can do the thing that I wanted to do. So yeah, if it's inspiring, then that's great.
Ah, that is so beautiful. I did have a question though. Like, haven't you guys met any challenges? Like maybe something with the tires and you have to change something?
Just for you to know, yesterday we brought the car from Nkata Bay until here. You got stuck. And a bunch of people helped me get it out, and like we had to use a thing to take the mud outside.
The mud.
Yeah, so these kind of things happen all the time, but thankfully, for example, here in Malawi, everyone is interested in helping us and in getting involved, and we always get out of these kind of situations with the help of everybody around us.
Amazing. Can you just maybe give us a brief of where you've actually been, like some of the countries that you've stepped in, and maybe something interesting that has happened throughout?
All right. So, amongst the places that we've been, in Bolivia, for example, we drove down the Death Road, which is this narrow road that well, the name says everything,
it sounds
right?
like death.
We've been stuck. Well, we didn't get stuck, but we drove into the desert and got lost in the desert in Chile. And then we couldn't stop either, because if we stopped, we might get stuck. So we just had to hammer on for 45 minutes, going 45 kilometers an hour, until we eventually ended up on a road.
Oh, wow.
We've crossed Afghanistan. There are no chargers there. Here there is a charger, so we charged last night in an EV charger. In Afghanistan there was no charger, so we just charged in the normal outlet, power outlet, crossing the entire country.
Oh, really?
Same thing in Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan, the roads were even worse than, well, probably some of the worst ones that we've been to. Part of the time we were just driving next to the road instead of on the road because it was so dilapidated. So I think we're really, and here, last time we charged was in Kigali. So we've gone 2,500 kilometers down to Lilongwe without an EV charger, just in the wall charging.
Tell me about that charging experience. Like, could you like take down the entire city because you're charging something like this?
No.
Okay.
It charges at the speed that your normal outlet can give.
Okay. So how long does it usually take to charge it? Like for the ones that do not have charging stations?
Theoretically, 2 full days, 48 hours. But our experience has been that the voltage isn't always as high as it's supposed to, and then it cuts at night. So it normally takes maybe 3 full days to charge it.
Oh wow, amazing! Now I know that
It took us almost three weeks to drive from Kigali down to here.
Oh my god, 3 weeks, and all you had to do was the power outlet.
Yeah.
The normal power outlet.
Only normal power outlet.
Now, before I actually do want to see the inside. That we can do, right?
That we can do.
That we can do.
So, if you bring the camera over.
All right.
I'm going to show you a couple of things.
Okay.
So the first thing that you might notice is the steering wheel. It's actually, you know what? I want you to film the back wheels first.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay. You have them in camera? They turn.
Yeah.
All 4-wheel turns. Obviously the front wheel turns. But you've never seen a car that has back wheels that turn, have you?
Yeah.
Except for a forklift.
Oh wow.
So
that is amazing.
that is necessary because the car is so long. So for us to turn corners, we need.
You need all the wheels to turn.
But if we go
Oh, I want you to do it again. Okay.
wider shot. All right.
Guys.
Ready?
Hey. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay.
Now that if I drive slowly, they turn separate ways, right? You can make their returns. If I go over 100 kilometers an hour, they turn the same way. So I crab walk. I go sideways.
Amazing.
when I change a lane over 100 kilometers an hour.
Oh wow, amazing. Now let's get to the inside.
All
Now
right,
I really
all right,
want
all right.
to see the inside.
Inside. So, first thing, steering wheel, Formula One type steering wheel.
Okay.
I have the indicators. I mean the windshield. Everything else is on the screen. Point to be made. Steering wheel, Formula One, speed from 0 to 100, 4 seconds. It weighs 3 tons. It's like a tank. 3 tons. We go from 0 to 100 in 4 seconds only. Everything else is on the screen. Alan was talking about earlier how we, hang on, how do we take this one off? How we drove in the US. So in the US, you put home or whatever location, and then you press this button and the car drives itself. But that's only in the US for now.
Then you have the camera.
Then you have the cameras. So we have cameras.
And we can see everything.
Yeah, the car drives because of the camera.
You can see everything, and also it records what is happening around the car. So if at night
Ooh.
someone comes and hits the car or whatever, we can watch
You'll
who
be
was
able
it.
to see everything.
Yeah.
And the other thing is that when we get stopped by the police, normally when they see the camera, they let us go.
Oh, okay. That's pretty interesting. Now, I am still mind blown that this thing, well, this car, is right here. And
Yeah.
like, how powerful is it?
How powerful the engine is it? Okay, so
Wait. It has 600 horsepower. So if you have a horse and you ask him to bring 599 of his best friends, that's the equivalent power.
yeah, that's correct.
Oh my goodness. And oh, I love technology so much.
But just for you to have an idea, G-Wagon, like a Mercedes G-Wagon, you know what it is? It's like a Jeep-looking Mercedes to
Okay.
four-wheel drive. It costs $500,000.
Right.
Okay, $500,000, and it goes from 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. This one costs $80,000, so 6 times less, and it goes from 0 to 100 in 4 seconds, like a Ferrari, like a Lamborghini, something like this.
Wow.
So even though the car is extremely futuristic and advanced and safe, the price for this car is much lower than what anyone would imagine. You know. You can buy 6 of that of another car by the price of this one.
Oh, that is so true.
Sorry, opposite. You could buy 6 of these
And
for what you would price for that Mercedes.
another car.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I mean, other than the renewable energy, I feel like a picture of like the future. Like you mentioned it. It's very futuristic. Technology is getting to the point where we're just gonna be like
Yeah,
free
and
happy.
this is coming very soon. That's what we
Yeah.
are trying to show everybody, to get excited about the positive future that is coming. By the way, we want to thank his name is Paul. The guy's
Right.
name is Paul, and he's from the Car Society of Malawi. He put us in contact with you guys, and it's because of him that we got this interview. So we want to thank them and to invite everyone to follow the Car Society of Malawi on Facebook.
No, thank you. No, thank you very much.
Yeah.
And I know Paul also has his guys.
And also, by the way, we are on social media.
Right.
Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube as Cyberlocos.
Cyberlocos.
If you want to know where we are going to be next and exactly our plans and everything, you have to follow Cyberlocos. Remember, follow Cyberlocos.
Amazing. No, that is just so beautiful. And I would love to keep you guys here, but my time is actually running out too right now. Is there something?
Do you wanna see how to open the front and the back before you go?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go.
Yes. Okay, so now they're going to show us how to open the front and the back. And ooh,
Okay, so let's show how it looks on the phone. So from the phone you can do anything that you want the car to do.
really?
Yeah.
So, for example, is the camera focus?
So here you press there and the front opens. And because it's electric, you have space to put things here because
front?
the engine, there's no engine.
Oh, right. Right.
There are 2 electric motors about this size and they are next to the wheel inside.
Oh, man, I wish I
So we have space here and then we have space here in the back. The same, I can either open it manually
Okay.
or we can just press here and open it. And then, yeah, this part opens as well.
Oh.
And Yeah, but if you do no. If you just do this a bunch of times, then suddenly it picks up. I don't know why.
Oh.
So here we have everything that we carry around for a 2-year
Right.
trip.
Ooh.
We have a generator in case we get stuck somewhere in the
and
middle
you
of
need to charge
nowhere.
it.
But with this thing, it would take us like 4 days to
Oh.
charge. So we haven't had the necessity to use it, but
Okay.
it's an emergency thing.
All right.
Then we have another one over there that works in the United States.
Okay.
We have to get rid of that one. We have a machine to make ice.
Amazing.
And then we have our stuff. And we have this from a Maasai that is traveling with us.
Ah, very beautiful.
Yeah, from Kenya. We're picking him up again in
Ah.
Zambia.
All right. Amazing.
So yeah, this is our social media if you want to follow
Cyberlocos.
us. Cyberlocos. We are.
Thank you.
Cyberlocos
so much.
means, so the name of this car is a Cybertruck,
Cybertruck,
and locos means crazy in Spanish because people told us we were crazy to start doing this trip.
Well, I'm glad you were crazy. Definitely glad. No, thank you so much, Alan and
Lars.
Thank you so much for coming through. Maybe what's that one thing that you really also love to share to, those Malawians that are watching you right now. And I want you to look straight into the camera,
Right.
let them know. So,
Okay, I want to say we're very thankful to everyone in Malawi for everything that you guys have done for us. Like, this has been one of the best part of the whole trip because of the people of Malawi. Everyone is so excited, everyone is so happy, everyone wants to help us. Whenever we have problems, it's been because of you guys that we've been able to get out of it. So I just wanted to say thank you.
did you try the nsima? Did you try nsima?
Nsima?
Our food, the local food here?
No,
You
no.
Oh my God!
oh my
On
God.
the to-do list for tonight.
definitely try some nsima. It will be, you have fun. You enjoy
Nsima?
it. Yeah, nsima.
Nsima.
Encima.
Yes.
Encima?
Yeah, like over.
Encima.
Yeah, nsima.
In Spanish, Nsima means over.
Oh,
On top of
well, here it is, our local food, and everybody adores it in Malawi. But let's get to you, Lars. What's the one thing you would like to say?
Oh, no,
Look at
yeah,
the
I would
camera.
just like to say that please follow us on social media, and if you write us on Instagram, then we do try to reply to people who write us.
Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. This has been Tech on 2 right here on ABC2 on The Go. We've had the meet with Cyberlocos, and I am so glad that we got to meet Alan and Lars, who have been touring the world. 61 countries, 62 tomorrow, as you
62
say.
tomorrow.
62 tomorrow. That has been very beautiful. Once again, thank you so much.
Osaiwala kupanga subscribe ku channel ya AMTV Malawi.